I beg you to overlook my track record and realize as the person I am and trying to be a better person.
Good afternoon, everybody. The Irish Demon here, back with another video. Want to give a big shout out to George Peach, who pointed this one out to me, and also just saw that, what is going on with my beard? Just saw that my good friend Colin, definitely not Cromwell, is also uploading this video, so check out his view on it over on his channel. It'll be linked down below. So this guy has 12 active warrants for not appearing in court, and he literally begs the judge to let him out again. But promise, judge, I'll come back. And her answer to that is absolutely epic. And not only that, but she has an amazing mic drop moment that you're gonna absolutely love. So check this one out and let me know down below what you think about it.
Who's logged in? Okay. All right. So we will go on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Jeremy Peterson. 231784. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Peterson. Mr. Peterson, would you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
Hi, Jeremy Peterson.
All right, thank you. Today's the date scheduled for sentencing on your client's plea of guilty to possession of drug paraphernalia and disorderly conduct. And counsel, you have an opportunity to speak to your client regarding the the report recommendation.
That's correct, Your Honor. And at this time, there's no additions or deletions or corrections that need to be made. I would simply just ask that the recommendation be adopted on behalf of my client in respect to incarceration. I would like you to know that he did spend roughly 30 days incarcerated already. So I would just ask that he be given credit for time served and assessed costs and fines. He's extremely apologetic. I know that according to the PSI, he does have some warrants outstanding. He has retained counsel on those, and he will be going to court, I believe, this week or next week to start clearing all of them up.
Okay, so you retained an attorney to clear up all of your warrants, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a court starting on the 19th. I'm on a tether currently still. So after we go to the court on the 19th, we're going to go through all the warrants and start taking care of all of them, because at this point I just want to get everything out of the way and get over all this. The trouble's been following me for a long time, and so I'm done with it.
Well, okay, so who's the attorney that you've retained to handle all these other matters?
Richard Hammock, I believe his name is. Richard Hammock.
Okay.
You know Richard Hammock, the famed brother of... Sorry, let me start that again. This is juvenile and I love it. You know Richard Hammock, the brother of the famed banana Hammock.
Okay, and he's representing you in all of these other matters?
Yeah, as of right now, we're talking. I just retained him. Well, I paid a deposit on Thursday, and I'm going to talk to him tomorrow. Because we're working on the 19th right now, and then we're going to go after that to each one.
19th, you mean 19th District Court or the 19th of the month?
The 19th of this month. So 2 weeks from, like, week and a half or so.
Okay. Okay.
When I met with them, I was supposed to meet with them on Friday, but my godmother, she's terminally ill, so I was helping her with her. So in order to do that, we had to move it till tomorrow. So I'm not sure of the actions we're going to take, but I know we're going to go. I'm hiring him for all the cases. I'm going to take care of all of them.
Okay, well, sir, you seem as though you have a hard time complying with the law. You have a hard time getting along with people.
Yeah, I've been working through my issues, and I've worked with psychiatrists and things like that. I've been bettering myself, and I'm just fed up with all the stuff that I've been doing. Like I'm looking at myself as to be a better person.
Well, and how are you going to do that, sir?
Well, I went to the doctor, psychiatrist, and I'm going to take care of all these cases. And then I got a job actually that I started last Wednesday, a new job, and it's a good job, so that will help a lot too. Maybe
Where's that?
Telefoods, and also there's a construction company that I'm hoping that will hire me pretty soon too. But Telefoods is the one I started. I'm going to be a manager up there.
Okay, well, did you tell your attorney that at all, sir?
I think last time I spoke with him, I told him that I was acquiring a job there possibly, but this time I didn't tell him that, no.
Well, no, because that would have been a change that would have had to have been made on your PSI, but in any event, here's what the court's going to indicate. The court's going to indicate that the recommendation is appropriate. You have a significant criminal history. You're not a candidate for probation. You have 12 outstanding warrants for your arrest, and the court's going to indicate 90 days jail, credit for 30 days. So you need to serve 60. And then the court's going to indicate the following fines and costs. That's account one, $200 fine, $100 screening assessment fee, cost of prosecution, $200, crime victim assessment fee, $75, justice system assessment fee, $50.
Your Honor.
$625. As to count three, the court's going to indicate a $300 fine, $200 for cost of prosecution, $75 crime victim assessment fee, $50 justice system assessment fee, for a total of $625, for a total of $1,250.
Your Honor,
I'm going to indicate, just one moment, sir. I'm going to indicate that, yes, sir. I'll let you speak. Go right ahead.
No, I said I apologize. That's what I said.
Okay, I will indicate that you need to contact the court here by Friday, December 1st to set up payment plan.
Okay. Is it okay for me to speak now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, ma'am. I mean, I completely understand like the penalty or the punishment and all that.
Let me guess, the judge is sending you to jail and that's just simply not going to work for you right now. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, Judge. I kind of got other stuff that I got to do. Sounds like a you problem, bro.
It's just the things that are happening right now. Like I'm getting everything in order. I've been working really hard since I've got out of jail to get everything in order. My godmother is terminally ill. And I've been taking care of her. She's in the hospital at the moment. I reunited with my older son and my middle kid. I've just been working real hard to better myself. And if I do go to jail, it's gonna and this job is a blessing to me. Like this, what I've been needing. And if I do go to jail, it's gonna like backpedal me into like my spirit is boosted to be a better person, and I've been working for that, and that's truly what I want to be. So,
Your Honor,
I completely understand the penalty.
Mr. Peterson's just asking for one opportunity to be placed on probation, prove to this honorable court that he can be a good candidate for probation.
Absolutely.
He is working incredibly hard at getting all of his warrants cleared up. He has retained counsel. He's already served roughly 30 days. I would just ask that this honorable court reconsider in giving him an opportunity to be placed on probation. I don't think he's going to let you down. I think he is in the right state, and I know he does not want to end up in jail, so I think he's going to follow everything that this court asks of him.
Very, very convincing there from the defense attorney. I think he knows as well as we all do that argument was about as much use as an ashtray on a motorcycle. You know, that's actually one of my favorite types of jokes, as much use as, or about as whatever as something else. For example, about as much use as tits on a fish. Hands down one of my absolute favorites. Let me know what your favorite ones are down below. They are just awesome.
And aside from let anybody else down, I don't want to let myself down, my kids, I haven't talked to them in almost a year and a half. And, you know, I've been hanging out with them last week, you know, talked to them all week, tell them I'm going to be better. Everything's going in order right now. Everything's going in the right motion. Except for the family issues, but that's, you know, there's nothing that I can do to stop that, but it's just.
Sir, you're not a candidate for probation. You have a significant criminal history. You have 12 warrants.
I understand. I do completely understand that, and for a long time, that's been a cloud over my head. It's been a lot of my stress in my life, and I want it all gone. Like I'm 47 years old. It's time to be done with all of it. And I'm truly dedicated to being a better person, honestly. And I don't want troubles done. I'm done with trouble. Like I don't want, like got the people I was hanging out with. I don't even have their numbers no more. I don't want to speak to them. I just want my family. I want my good job. I don't want to have to do any, you know what I'm saying?
Sir, I am very glad to hear that you seem committed to having your life on the right track.
I'm fully committed to that right now. I mean, that's completely all I've been trying to do.
Well, that's good. Then I'm sure you're still going to be fully committed in 60 days when you're out of the Wayne County Jail.
Somebody get this man an ice pack, because that burn was brutal. Oh, that was a piece of art.
So you're going to start your jail term today, and then you'll get the credit for 30 days.
Can I ask one favor?
What's that?
Can I please have the couple days to get the job in order to see if they'll let me wait? Let me go do the 60 days, and so I can talk to the kid.
Sir, absolutely not. You have 12 warrants out for your arrest for your failure to appear in court.
I understand.
I have zero confidence. I have zero confidence that you will be showing up.
I beg you to trust me.
Your 60-day jail. You continue to interrupt me. You're continuing to interrupt me.
But I
you're
beg
not sorry.
Have faith
You've already said that, and you're continuing to do it. 60-day jail. Stop. We're done. 60-day jail.
Judge, you have to have faith in me. Please have faith in me.
That's like having faith in a guy that's got 12 warrants for arson standing there with a can of petrol and a feckin' lighter.
Sir.
That's all I want is to be better.
We're done. We're done. 60 days. Yes.
When do I have to report? When can I go home and
No, you don't have, sir.
I will come back right in a minute. I just have to set stuff in order. I promise. I'm on a tether.
Sir, your track record suggests otherwise. You have 12 warrants for your failure to appear.
Judge, I beg you to overlook my track record and realize as the person I am and trying to be a better person. I promise you, with everything in my heart, sir, I promise you. I promise you, sir, with everything I love, I promise.
Sir, we're done. That's the sentence of the court. Thank you.
No.
Well, that was a genius argument, wasn't it? Dude's being convicted for not appearing. He's got 12, not 1 or 2, which is bad enough, 12 outstanding warrants for not appearing. And he's asking the judge to trust him that he will come back to jail. Come on, man. I mean, come on. I get it. The guy's trying to make himself a better person. Awesome. I support that. I really hope that he turns his life around when he gets out of jail in 60 days. But in fairness, literally asking the judge to put aside all of these facts and these evidence about his history of him not turning up and then releasing him and trusting that he's going to turn up. Come on. What did you think was going to happen? Anyway, lads and lassies, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure and hit that thumbs up and comment and all that stuff. We've got some more videos that'll pop up in the end here for anybody who hasn't seen them, and we'll catch you in the next one. Sláinte.